Hi, Elsa!
Hi,
hello! We can see Christoph. Oh my goodness! Goosebumps! Goosebumps! Wow! Goosebumps! All my life has been a series of joys in my face, and then suddenly I bumped into you. Nakabili tayo ng ice cream dyan sa Northern Delight. How's the experience, Ma?
I felt like a child again.
You felt like a child again. Hello guys! Good morning! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Dahil we will spend the last day of 2023. Sasalubungin natin ang New Year dito. Our first agenda, the World of Frozen. Nakabubukas lang ngayong 2023. World of Frozen, guys! Let it go! Let it go! Saan kaya ang pila? Last tingin ko sa app, 40 minutes ang pila. Wow. I think this is the ride. Frozen every after 50 minutes. Thank you. Let it go, let it go. Book nyo pala to guys via Klook kasi mas mura siya versus others. And of course, makapagpa-reserve kayo ng date lalo na kapag nasa peak season yung plano ninyong bakasyon sa Hong Kong at pag-Disneyland. I don't think magamit yung promo code for Hong Kong Disneyland mismo, Dave Gino yung promo code. Pero magamit nyo siya sa Disneyland Meals. Mukhang masarap yung pork chop. Sino? Yung pork chop. 11 AM. Video.
Yes.
Ano ko yung punchline? Ma-free-freeze ka sa pila dito sa Frozen. Grabe yung 50 minutes. Parang ang laking sayang. Pero okay lang. At least naka-premier access tayo sa iba. Avail kami guys ng premier access. Okay? So for 3 attractions. Nasa 1.6 siya. Binili namin sa mismong website ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Pero I think pwede nyo nang siyang i-bundle kung bibili kayo ng Hong Kong Disneyland ticket sa Klook. Bundle nyo na lang. Siguro mas makapamura kayo doon. And ayun, inuna namin yung World of Frozen kasi hindi siya kasama sa 3 attractions na pwede kayo mag-fast lane. We're entering the Kingdom of Arendelle, guys. Ang daming gustong magpunta sa Kingdom of Arendelle. Ang haba-haba ng pila. Kagaya natin. So, we can see Christoph. Picture muna si ate. They're currently playing Frozen songs. Like, narinig natin ang For the First Time in Forever. So okay lang naman pala pumila kasi nakakita tayo ng iba't ibang Frozen elements dito sa Kingdom of Arendelle. For the first time in forever. Ayan, katadaan lang natin sa sala. Tapos, oy, may official Ice Master and Deliverer. Record of deliveries. Hello! So may mga bumabati ng characters guys habang nakapila. Ayos din yung stuff dito. Nakapang Arendelle. Thank you! Acclamation Day. Oh, another pila. Lapit na tayo sa katotohanan guys. Ma, first time mo mag-rides?
Yeah.
Ever? In any ride?
Yes.
Oh, and now it's in Disneyland. Nandito tayo guys sa World of Frozen. Kingdom of Arendelle. Oh wow, Olaf.
Come on, I know you do. As we've made a magic winter show with summer's now for spending year and year.
Hello.
We saw Olaf.
Assisted with an unselfish act of true love.
Wow.
That's full of frozen heart.
Oh my gosh! Castle ni Elsa! Wow! Wow! Goosebumps.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
Goosebumps. Ganda. Oh, Elsa. Oh my goodness! Goosebumps! Goosebumps! Wow! Oh wow! For the first time in forever! Oh, the sisters! Sisters. Ma, saya no?
Saya.
So magical. Nakita natin si Elsa and her ice castle. Kristoff and Anna. Olaf. Look at us. Kuya. Kuya nang let's go. May mga souvenir dito guys. Okay, may mga damit-damit na Frozen. Maraming Olaf. Ganda. Hi Elsa! Hello! She's so pretty. So verdict sa Frozen Ever After, hindi naman siya ganun ka-intense. Hindi talaga siya intense at all. May isang part lang na mabibigla ka lang. Pero hindi siya intense na isipin yung intense talaga. Si Mama nga na kaya. Diba? So kaya nyo yun. And maganda kasi nakapag-reminisce tayo ng Frozen moments. Makita natin yung iba't ibang characters and you can sing the Frozen songs there kasi pinapatugtog siya doon. So, ganda. Natuwa si Mama. Tuwa ka ma, diba? So, after nyo mag-ride, pwede na kayong kumain dito. Bumili ng frozen treat. May mga ice cream dyan. And then doon, pwedeng kumain ng meal. Pag mag-book kayo ng voucher sa Klook, it's worth 150 HKD. Kung tinutugtog let it go. Tapos kung kulang, yung 150, dadagdagan nyo na lang, okay? Ng cash. Yan, haba ng pila sa Frozen Delight. And we have here a fountain. When it's howling like a... Oh, pumipila ulit tayo dito sa Frozen. Grabe. Haba ng pila. Pero nandito na tayo kanina. Gusto lang natin i-try yung sleigh. Hello! Cute. Pag magpupuntang Disneyland, actually pinaka #1 tip, magpa-check up muna. Make sure na walang sakit sa katawan. Doon nag-enjoy naman siya. Feeling ko hindi mo ma-maximize yung enjoyment mo dahil masakit ang kasukasuhan mo. Wow! So Ma, you were asking me why Disneyland is the happiest place on earth. Now, have you figured it out yourself? Why?
Yeah, because of so many rides and shows.
Thank you. Oh, because there's no work. Yeah, it's December 31 today. And I'm so happy. I'm with my family. With my mother, who is becoming a child again. In Disneyland. What were you saying?
I have not experienced this in
It's okay. It's not too late. Okay? It's not too late to experience things. Diba? There's no age in enjoying Disneyland.
That's right.
At least we're here now. Wow, nag-English. All my life has been a series of joys in my face, and then suddenly I bumped into you. I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the party talking and the chocolate fondue, but with you, I found my place. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you. Love is an open door. Okay na. Lapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Yung tagabantay dito guys ay nagsosona pa. Nakapila pala tayo sa sliding sleigh as of the moment. Another ride here in the world of Frozen. Lapit na tayo guys sa ride. Kunti na lang. Video! Ayun na! Alright. Let's go. Let's go, mother. Ay, may dapa. How's it, ma?
Okay.
Nice. Not that intense. Let's go. Okay, pabog ko. Okay, tara. Pila kita ice cream. How's the experience, ma? The sliding sleigh.
I felt like a child again.
You felt like a child again.
Yeah.
Yan eh. Nice. Bilis lang siya guys. Mga 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Ay, ayun. Kita nyo? Nakabili tayo ng ice cream dyan sa Northern Delight. Sarap ng ice cream guys. Gagamitin ko ding display itong basong to. So that's our experience in World of Frozen. Nakadalawang rides tayo doon at nakain ng Northern Delights, itong ice cream na color blue, ice cream ni Elsa. It's nice going there. Kabubukas lang niya last month, November. Kaya siguro yun talaga pinakapinipilahan dito. Pero sulit naman yung pila doon. Lalo na sa yung una na Frozen Ever After. Kung kayo ay magpupunta ng Disneyland, talagang must try to visit World of Frozen. I-book nyo via Klook, tapos mag-order na rin kayo ng Disneyland meal voucher. Okay, para makamura kayo sa pagkain dito sa Disneyland. This is Dave, the Creeper Traveler. Let's live our best life. Bye!